Hello and welcome. Today I want to share a package that I've been using in my projects that is very useful for organizing your hierarchy, and that is folders. So as you can see here, I got the environment, enemies, and the UI folder, and you can also change the color of the folders. And to create them, you just hit the right click and create hierarchy folder. And this way you can like create childs inside these folders, create all your elements here, and you got options to customize this folder. So for example, here I got the play mode stripping type. We can prepend with the folder name, delete, do nothing, and replace with a separator. Uh, if you are in the editor, I recommend you use between the nothing and the delete because the folder use the update method to keep the transform and rotation and scale uh, on the default values. So if you have a lot of childs, this can like have a performance issue. Uh, but for the build, I recommend you always use the delete mode. What will happen if I keep the delete mode for the folders is that they will disappear, so this update method will not run, but the childs will keep alive. So once it gets deleted, it will only delete the parent, and the childs will keep the hierarchy, the childs, only the folders that will be stripped from the build. That is very useful because you can organize your hierarchy here, and on the build you don't need to view your hierarchy. You can even see, so that's why it's very useful to create these folders and organize your environment here, the player, the map, and just remove the folders from the build like this, as you can see here. And of course, you can change the color. You can, of course, change the name, map, something like that. And it's very useful to organize. I've seen some assets where they have game objects with colors and they separate here, like this camera, and have this kind of color like this as well. The problem is that this is still a game object and the methods still run. And to avoid that, this asset created these options right here, as you can see like this. So that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to share this asset. It is very useful. I'll put the link on the description so you guys can download it. And yeah, that's it. That's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.